I want to move on to Russell. Mr. Young, where are you today? You're somewhere in tech land, I think, in terms of what you're talking about. What do you have?
Yeah, what I wanted to talk about is what I was hearing last week about this massive infrastructure build out. And across the board, spending on AI and AI infrastructure all ticked up last week. And just let's talk about 5 companies. Tesla said they're at 35,000 GPUs and they're going to be at 85,000 by the end of the year. So they're massively investing. This is all powering their full self-driving. And while the street's arguing about this, Tesla's investing really hard in this. And so let's see what happens here. And then second, Meta took up their CapEx. They had spent $6.7 billion in the first quarter, and they took up their guidance for the full year by $3 to $5 billion of incremental CapEx. Now, the street doesn't like it because they're saying the benefits are further out. But Zuckerberg is super excited about this. Microsoft said that demand exceeds supply and that CapEx will increase materially on a sequential basis. They spent $14 billion in Q1, and they could be spending $75 billion this year on CapEx. Google, it was the same. They spent $12 billion in the first quarter, and they said expect that to continue throughout the year. And lastly, Vertiv, which makes server infrastructure. It's being positioned as as a server cooling play right now. Their book to bill was 1.5, and they said most of the big surge in their backlog is for deliveries beyond 24. So this AI boom in infrastructure that a lot of analysts are expecting this to slow down continues to accelerate. So what am I doing? I'm looking for infrastructure plays